So if you can tell me what song this is, I will teach this to you first. So there's a little trivia for you, and I can teach you many songs out of the chords that I just played. And actually, I played the chords out of the open chords and out of the bar chords, and I will teach you both. But first, we need to learn those open chords, and the first open chords that I would teach you would be G, D, C, G, D, and C, and that song adds an A minor. So I would teach you that as well, so you would learn a minor. And it's just four chords for pretty much the whole song. And so I can teach you that song or many other worship songs with those same chords, I can teach you many songs. There's so many songs that are played out of just G, C, and D. And once you learn those three chords, you can start playing tons and tons and tons of stuff. But I want to help you along the way to where you can get your strumming, get your picking. That song there will teach you picking and strumming both. So see how it strums and it picks? So I'll teach you with that song, I'll teach you how to strum and how to pick with one song. Anyways, I'm Pastor Brandon. I say Pastor Brandon, but I pastor Revival House Church in Richmond, Kentucky. I also have played in Christian rock band for over 10 years and done worship music for different churches and everything. But I want to help you learn how to play guitar, learn how to play guitar correctly. I had somebody that was trolling me on Facebook on my videos because I keep my strap down because I'm comfortable with strumming right here. And he was trying to tell me that I have to bring my guitar up so I could do my chords right when my chords are right here with me, with my hand. Anyways, and I didn't want to argue with him. I just said, well, that's a good preference if it's comfortable for you. But whatever's comfortable for you on guitar, that's what I recommend you do, is whatever's comfortable for you on guitar. And so your strumming, your chords, and your picking, that's the first few things that I will teach you and get you going. And I can get going with a meeting on Zoom, or I can get going in my area, which I'm in Richmond, Kentucky area. I can get going and get you one-on-one. So one-on-one lessons are really good when you're right there with somebody, able to teach them one-on-one. And I will do that here in Richmond, Kentucky area, and via Zoom anywhere else. So if you want to learn how to play guitar, I will help you as much as I possibly can. I'm going to be putting out some more content that's going to give you some really good strategies and things that you can do to be able to play whatever it is you want to play. And just a little note out there, whatever you play, then you play it, and you play it well. And so there was years ago when I was taking some guitar lessons myself, and I had started in the Christian rock band, and so I was learning from a guy who did mostly like shredder type stuff, where you do kind of, you know, you do kind of kind of hair metal or whatever you want to say. And he learns a lot of classical music. It's really good. It's really good structure to learn classical music when you're playing rock guitar. So it kind of goes hand in hand with some types of metal and rock and everything. But my hands just didn't have the structure to do some of the stuff that he was doing. And I tried to tell him that. And then I had a friend of mine who actually worked at the guitar shop. He said, "Man, you play blues." I'm like, "Yeah, I like playing blues." He said, "Well, you're learning from a guy who is trying to teach you, classical and rock. I play rock blues style, but that's okay. It's It's okay to play rock blues style or classical style, as long as you use your style for what you know and what you can do. And he told me, he said, you're a sloppy blues rock player, and be a sloppy blues rock player. I said, okay. So I took that and I ran with it. So I ran with it, and that's what I do. I also teach worship music for churches, you know, and so if you want to learn some worship music. You do that, or you can do. You learn swells. It's very, very ambient type music with guitar in church, and you want to be, you know, kind of in the background with your guitar more than in the front than rock, you know, when you're playing rock or even country. So this is Brandon for Jam on Guitar. I'm going to have some more, like I said, tips coming up, some more videos coming up that's going to teach you some stuff and get you, you know, on board to where you can start learning more and more on guitar. And you all have a blessed and wonderful day.